Hi there everyone, welcome back to Arts Authority. Today we will discuss about the topic, do ants eat chocolate or not? In this video we will discuss about this topic in detail. So let's start the video. Ants are primarily scavengers and omnivorous insects, meaning they can consume a wide range of food sources depending on their species and individual preferences. While ants are known to have a preference for sweet substance such as nectar and honeydew, their diet can also include protein, fats and other organic materials. When it comes to chocolate, ants can indeed be attracted to it. Chocolate contains sugar, which is highly appealing to ants due to its high energy content. Additionally, some chocolates may contain fats or oils, which can be another attractive component for ants. However, it's important to note that not all ants are attracted to chocolate, and the degree of attraction can vary among different ant species. If ants come across chocolate, they will investigate it, and if they find it suitable, they will attempt to feed on it. Ants have a keen sense of smell and can detect food sources through chemical cues. They leave behind pheromone trails to communicate with other ants, leading them to be discovered food source. Once ants locate chocolate, they may attempt to consume it directly or transport it to their colony to share with other members. They have strong mandibles that can break down solid food particles, including chocolate, into manageable pieces. Ants also have a specialized stomach called a crop or social stomach, where they can store food and transport it to the colony. While ants may be attracted to chocolate, it's important to note that feeding chocolate to ants intentionally is not recommended. Chocolate contains substances such as theobromine and caffeine, which can be toxic to ants and other insects in large quantities. Feeding chocolate to other ants may harm or even kill them. Furthermore, allowing ants to access chocolate in your home or food storage area can lead to infestations and become a nuisance. If you want to control any activity or keep them away from chocolate or any other food sources, it is recommended to focus on preventive measures such as maintaining cleanliness, sealing food containers, and blocking entry points for ants. If you are dealing with an ant infestation, it's best to contact a professional pest control service for effective and safe removal. In conclusion, while ants may scavenge on chocolate if it's present in their environment, they do not naturally eat or seek out chocolate. Theobromine and caffeine found in chocolate can be toxic to ants and can have detrimental effects on their health. Therefore, it's crucial to respect their natural dietary preferences and avoid offering them chocolate or any other harmful substances. Let's appreciate the fascinating world of ants and ensure we coexist with them in a mutually beneficial way. Thank you for watching.